Our goal in solving this equation is to find the value of x, which makes two sides of the equation equal. To do this, we are going to rewrite the equation so that the left side of the equation has only x. So, let's first eliminate 9 on the left side of the equation by adding 9. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we add a number to one side of the equation, we must add the same number to the other side of the equation. After adding 9, the left side of the equation is simplified to 8x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. 31 plus 9 is 40. We now have a new equation, 8x equals 40. Now, to solve the equation, we are going to eliminate 8 in front of x. To do this, let's divide both sides of the equation by 8. After dividing them by 8, the left side of the equation is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So, the answer is x equals 5.